something like that, against 100. This is my second visit to Pakistan. I was there in 1996. But how Pakistan is right now in June 2025, it is magnificent. It's fantastic. The people are
hospitable. They're so great.
as hospitable as you can find nowhere else in the world. And you have it here.
Yeah.
Pakistan is amazing.
Yes.
And what about you? How many countries did you?
Pakistan will be country 151 for me. So I can tell you, when I say that Pakistan is one of the best countries in the whole world, especially Hunza, and the most beautiful in Hunza. I know what I am talking about. It's the best here.
I agree.
Yeah.
What about you?
And I'm from Poland. I came here because Phil convinced me to come, and I have no regrets. I found these people very humble, very helpful. I didn't have even one moment when I didn't feel safe, and I think this is an amazing country. Don't lose it.
Yes.
The spirit of the human's heart. Yeah, that's only in Pakistan.
Only in Pakistan.
A group